What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Listen, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're doing some amazing things because we're still in the holiday season. Today we want to do an eggnog milkshake. All right, it's very simple, but it's really good. All right. So listen, obviously we got some eggnog. We're gonna booze it up a little bit. We got some Jameson Black Barrel whiskey. All right. We got some ice cream. I just did the Haagen-Dazs vanilla bean. We got some vanilla extract, and then we got some spices. I got nutmeg and I got cinnamon, which are normally pretty comparable to the eggnog, but I'm gonna add some cardamom too. That's one of my favorite, all right? So real quick, we're gonna make this very quick. So we're gonna add this entire 14 ounce in. All right, now let's do 2 cups of the eggnog, okay? We got 2 ounces. Let's just do an ounce. You can booze it up a little bit more if you want. We're gonna do an ounce. All right, if you want a little bit stronger, do 2 ounces. All right. Last but not least, we're gonna put 1/4 teaspoon of the vanilla. That's it. It's gonna be good. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Smells amazing. Look at that. Perfect pour. Look at that. Ooh, let's see. Man, that's amazing. Oh man, it's so rich. That is the perfect milkshake for this time of the year. All right? You like it, man, please let me know what you think. And if I want to hear from people who make it. Give me some different variations, all right? Talk to you soon.